So I think let's sort out what the two mean. So made to order, semi-custom is going to be a scenario where you go and see a kitchen and bath company and you say, I want to build a kitchen or redo my kitchen. We're going to design it and we are going to order that cabinetry, and it is going to be made specifically for your kitchen with your specifications, your desires.
Right.
Ready to assemble, you would walk into an IKEA. That's where they have really ready to assemble. And you're going to say, this is what I want my kitchen to look like. And they're going to walk in the back and they're going to slide a box of particle board. And you're going to go home and you're going to build your own cabinets like it's IKEA furniture. So that's ready to assemble. So now that we understand the difference, first and foremost, quality. Quality is going to be a huge difference. When you think about semi-custom or made-to-order type cabinetry, that is manufactured in a way that is built to last, where ready to assemble is manufactured in a way that is easy to put together and fast. So obviously right there, you just have a huge difference from a longevity quality standpoint. And then you get into options. Semi-custom, when it's made to order, you get to choose, and you're going to wait, but you're going to get all of the options you want. You want a particular accessory in your cabinetry, you can get it. Ready to assemble, the SKUs or the availability as far as accessories and aesthetics and paint colors and stains and all of the reasons a lot of people redo their kitchens, you don't get that in ready to assemble. You get a very narrow SKU, a very narrow amount of accessories, a very narrow amount of cool things. And that's the beauty in ready to assemble. Like, if you want to be fast and you don't really care what it looks like, ready to assemble is great. For house flippers, they love ready to assemble. Apartment owners, they love ready to assemble. It's cheap, it's fast. So, that would be your two biggest differences, when you think about quality and availability.